YouTube. In today's video we are going to talk about the Noe pouch. If you're new to my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join me. My name is Sherry and let's get right to this review. Alright you guys, so this is the pouch that I carried last week while I was on vacation in Michigan. I carried this in my larger Neverfull bag, and I took this as not only a pouch to hold my accessories while I was traveling. As you can see, I have a lot of items in here. I have a mask, I have my strap to my pochette Matisse because I was using this as a crossbody. I have a couple of extra wallets and things that I was carrying, and I was using this to carry my jewelry. So I'll pull out a couple of pieces of my jewelry if I can. I have my larger necklaces in here, and then I have like some pearls that I was carrying in here. So I'll give you a shot of what that looks like. So it's just a jumbled up mess in the bag, and then the strap was just tucked in on the side, okay? So one of the things I like about this bag, it is very carefree. Obviously there is no vachetta on this bag. Some people usually get grommets to put here on the side to wear this as a crossbody. I have not found those same set of grommets to use, so I've just been using the bag as is. I'll go ahead and attach the strap that I have for my pochette Matisse to the bag so that you can kind of see how I was wearing it. And now you have an option here. What I did was I just hooked it right to the leather. Now I don't recommend doing this for an extended period of time. For me, I knew it would be a short amount of time that I was wearing it for, and it was only for like a day because I was carrying my favorite bag as well, and I knew what day I wanted to wear this out. So you can see there how it's attached to the sides. Now, in case you're one who doesn't like these little tabs hanging out like this, then what you can do is do what I did. I just turned the tabs inward like this into itself, and then I just pulled them down. All right, so now you see it's, you'll see that a little bit better. You take this tab, you do the same thing, just stick it in the side here and just turn it inward to itself. Sorry if that's not visible. All right, now you see the tabs are down to the side of the bag. Okay, and so I just carried this as a crossbody like this. And again, I only wore it like this for one day. It was just, I was there for about 3-4 days, and so I was carrying my damier and bean bag just because it was just easier to carry. All right, so I'm gonna take these straps off because I don't like to leave them on here when I'm not wearing it as a crossbody. This pouch, my recommendation, get this bag. As I said before, it is very carefree. There is no vachetta. It is very spacious and very roomy. I wear it just like this, or I was wearing it just like this. You can pull these tabs to pull the sides and close it a little bit more. You don't have to pull it very much, as you can see, and you get closure like this. If you're wearing this on the front of your body, you're not really worried about someone trying to put their hand in it. I think you would definitely feel that if someone was trying to put their hand in it. And then the items come down to here. So they would actually have to really put their hand in there to really get to the items. As you can see, my hand, it's really in there to feel anything before someone is trying to get something out of there. This currently retails for $890 in the US. And so even though the price has gone up over the years from the original $590 it was when it was first released, I still think that this is a really good product to still invest in. For those of you who are not a fan of the Nano Noe because of the strap, this right here is a really good option to get in place of that bag. Number one, it's obviously less expensive, and you still get the same feel and effect of a bucket bag, without the vachetta and without the limited use of the straps not being removable. So I think that this right here kind of solves all the problems that that bag has, or that people kind of see with that bag. While it is cute, I find this one a lot more functional. One, because it's larger and you can hold a lot more items in this. I'm able to put my phone in here, wallet, makeup, a little pouch from Coach where I can hold my makeup in that. You can put wipes, you can put your mask. It just holds a lot for someone who is on the go. This is very convenient to go to the zoo, to the park, to the beach. It's just very convenient to use this bag, and so I find myself gravitating more towards this one than the Nano Noe. So if you were considering either one of those bags, or you really wanted the Nano Noe but it was just not feasible because of the strap, I definitely say go with this bag right here. For me, this is a really good investment because, like I said, I carried this in my Neverfull on the plane, and then when I got to my destination, I was wearing this as a crossbody. So this right here pulled double duty as a pouch and then as a bag for me. And so you can always use this to store items as well, so that you can have it displayed on your counter or on your shelves, wherever you want to show off your pretty Louis Vuitton. So do I recommend getting this? Yes. Is it worth the price? Yes. Even if it goes up another $200 or whatever Louis Vuitton may charge for this, right now I definitely think it's probably maxed out at worth the price. But definitely once you start getting to the much more expensive bags like a Felice Pochette, then this kind of gets into that price range. I still think that this would even still be worth it at $1,000, because you could convert this and add a strap to it. But once you pay taxes on this, you're in about the $1,000 range anyway. So just my 2 cents on this bag. If you have any questions about the Nano pouch, definitely leave them in the description box, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.